Hey guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today we can talk about how to create a LinkedIn content marketing strategy that will help you to generate leads on LinkedIn. Now, when it comes to LinkedIn, LinkedIn is a really cool platform with over 800 million users all around the world. And most of them are in decision-making positions, meaning they can actually sign off on projects and make things happen. Creating content is one of the best ways to get your message and your branding in front of the right people. The issue is, how do you create content that has the right effect? Because what you don't want to do is you don't want to create content just for the sake of getting seen by many people. Because what happens then? People form the wrong impression in their mind. So they don't think of you as the person who can help them resolve a business challenge. They think of you as an entertainer. Worst case, as a clown who is there to give them some cheap laughter, but would never be considered for any work or any project. So today I'm going to share with you how you can build a simple content strategy for your business that will help you to generate leads from ideal customers. There are going to be a lot of simplification today, so it's really easy for you to get the idea. But of course, if you want to do that properly, you have to develop a real content strategy. And I'm going to tell you how to do that at the end of this video. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to outline the top 10 reasons why customers approach you when they want to work with you. Like, what is their story that they tell you when they pick up the phone, when they walk into your store, or when they send you an email? What is the reason why they want to work with you? Like, what is the first problem? Someone who has never worked with anyone in your industry, what is their first story when someone has the first experience of working with someone like you in their industry? You want to write down the top 10 most common reasons. You want to take those 10 reasons and I want you to write out a fictional customer journey. What happened before that happened? Like, what were the 10 steps before that led to that problem? Like, what were some of the warning signs? What were some of those challenges where they could have gone this way or that way, where they picked the wrong direction? What were key moments in this customer journey that led to them facing this issue? And once you have written this out, and you can write multiple user journeys for each and every scenario. So once you have written, let's say 10 to 30 user journeys and you have identified those key moments, I want you to take those key moments and to group them together. Find key moments that are repeating themselves over and over again, no matter where someone is coming from, no matter where, in which industry someone is working, no matter their background. What are some of those key moments that almost all customers face on a regular basis? And I want you to highlight which are the most common and most impactful key moments across all the user journeys. Now, step 4, I want you to take those key moments and I want you to create solutions for those moments. This can be moments where something goes horribly wrong, where something could have a really positive impact, but they might miss out on that. And I want you to write out an outline of tips, tricks, strategies, tactics, hacks, solutions, blueprints that customers can take in that specific key moment to put them on the best possible path forward. So you create all of those different solutions for all of those key moments, and then this will become part of your broader content strategy. Now, step 5, you have to put everything together. You take all of those strategies, tips, and solutions that you have generated and write out a complete A to Z content strategy. This will be your starting point, which you can use to at least cover the first 3 months of your content strategy to attract clients. The reason why this is working is because this is connecting with customers on a deep emotional level, because they have been through all of those situations. They will recognize the situations when you describe them, and they will see the instant usefulness of all of your tips, because they can see how this would have been able to prevent some of the challenges that they faced further down the road. This creates instant trust. It helps you to establish yourself as a thought leader, an expert in your field, and it will make it way more likely that someone who's facing a similar challenge will reach out to you. Now, step 6, now you take your content strategy and you create content. You can either create short written content or you can create short video content. And what you're doing is you're explaining the key moment, then you're giving them 1 to 3 solutions that could improve the outcome of this key moment, and you explain why this is important and how this fits into the bigger picture. And then at the end of your text post or video, you give a call to action. This is really important. You can do something simple like ask people to follow you if they want to get more content. This will help you grow your audience. Or you could have a more specific call to action where you tell people to reach out to you, either by sending you a connection request, sending you an email, or picking up the phone if they face a similar challenge, and get in touch with you to get this resolved. Rinse and repeat this every day for the next 3 months, and you're going to see that you got a ton of leads in your inbox on a daily basis. Now, if you're looking for a more structured approach to developing your content strategy, you can also check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program. This is my complete A to Z system, how to become a thought leader on LinkedIn in your field, in your industry. I'm going to put the link down in the description and into the pinned comment below. You can also download my free LinkedIn hashtag guide, which shows you how to find the right hashtags to attract the right audience of ideal clients. Both links down in the description and in the pinned comment below. And if you want to get more videos about LinkedIn, make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and hit like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.